Welcome to Mike's Man Cave and welcome back to another Ryobi 18 volt video. Today we will be having a look at the Ryobi 18 volt in-car battery charger. These aren't that cheap and I have been avoiding buying one. And I finally justified it to myself. I spent the money. I'll put the current price up here for you so you know how much these are in Australia. I bought this from Bunnings. And what this does, it charges your 18 volt batteries in your car. I use various accessories in my van for work, like tools that I use. So I'd like to be able to recharge my batteries. I've also got camping tools that I use. I've got my camping fan, I use my spotlight, I use my torch, I use my 18 volt inverter, and I also carry my rattle gun and tire inflator, which also runs off these 18 volt batteries. And I like to have my fan going while I sleep at night in the van, which also runs off the 18 volt batteries. And also I can charge batteries while I'm at work. Let's just open this up and we'll have a look at it and see how well it works. Okay, let's open this up. And here we go, there's the Ryobi 18 volt in-car battery charger. It's got the cigarette lighter plug or accessory plug or whatever you want to call it. And your batteries just go in there to charge up. And it's as easy as that. And then what you do is you get this end and you plug it into your cigarette lighter. And we will be trying that out in this video very, very shortly. It's also got various charge indicator lights along the side here that will tell you about the state of charging or the state of charge of your battery. Now another handy thing is, apparently this has an inbuilt low voltage alarm, so if you're charging your battery here off your car using this accessory plug, it will give you a warning before it discharges your car battery. So it's got an inbuilt safety, I believe, that stops you discharging your car battery so that you can't start your car, which is a great idea. I'm mainly hoping to be using this while I'm driving, so I can plug this in while I'm driving along, charging up the battery. Now this charges all the Ryobi batteries. It charges the NiCad and the lithium batteries, as you can see there. It tells you about the charging lights and the battery drain warning on the back here, and it also tells you on the back here the approximate charging time for various batteries. So let's have a look at that. Now it's got 18 volt, 30-minute charge time for 1.3 amp hour battery, which is a very small battery. I don't have a 1.3 amp hour battery. The smallest I've got is a 1.5 that I use on my torch, as you can see there. Now it says 35-minute charging time for 1.5 amp hour battery, which is what this is. And then it says 120 minutes charging time, which is 2 hours for 5 amp hour battery, which is this one here. And I've got 4 of these that I regularly use. Look, overall this seems like a nice unit. The batteries lock in tight. It's also got provisions here where you can mount this on the wall, maybe in your work van or wherever you like. I mean, the work van would be the ideal place. And I think I might actually do something like that. I think I will actually mount this in my van when I finally get around to doing it. Now here we are. I'm actually at work at the moment, so I'm just filming this on my phone. There's some batteries that I use at work. And there's my battery charger. Now currently I've just got this sitting in the footwell of my van, and it is plugged into the cigarette lighter there, and that is how I'm using it currently. However, eventually I will be mounting this in the back of the van using those mounting points on the back there that you can see, and I will be wiring this into the van accessory wiring harness. It will just be permanently mounted in the van, and I might even consider getting a second one So I've got 2 of these, so I can have 2 batteries charging while I'm at work or even while I'm camping. Now if you enjoyed this video and found it useful at all, do me a favour, give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button of the brand new battery charger for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.